It's night USA. You want to marry me? Oh, Glenn. Hi, Glenn. Good morning. Stella's Hatten, guys, Karasul. Mega shout out. Good morning, Shado. Good morning. Shado is here. Glenn, wow, nice lips. Thank you, Glenn. Dave, thank you, Dave. Dave Samuel. Good morning, Dave. I want to put lipstick. Ono Vlog, Megalo, shout out, good morning. Stephen, Yanton, Clesty, wait lang ha, naka-play pa ako yung mahaba tong video ni Tuyet. Si Tuyet, ito ibang bansa, parang taga siya. Iba ang kanyang lingwahe eh. Si Tuyet. How old, hot mama, what do you for work? What you do? What you do for work? What you do? My work? Oh, about my work? I am a machine operator of this stock. You know, I'm so feeling tired because my schedule is night. Crazy, thank you. Wait lang, crazy. Mahabang video ni Tuyet. Nolly Ramos, Megla, shout out, good morning. Matulog na ako guys, pero nag-play ako sa video pa kasi. Dito pa kay Tuyet. Masakit ang ulo sa kulang sa tulog. Hoy, Brandon! True ball? Who's True ball? James, mega shout out. Hello from USA. Good morning. Hello everyone. Guys, please connect to Nolly Ramos. She's very nice live also singer. Song asing. What is True ball? Brandon, are you still there? What happened, bro? What happened, bro? Why you asking? Why you telling about trouble? Trouble what? Who's trouble? Rochelle, mega shout Rochelle, thank you. I am pretty. I feel so tired. Not so, lol. Ha ha ha. Dave, thank you, lol. Ha ha. Unlike nice, I work on big trucks and I have pilot's license too. Are you married? USA dark now? Married USA very dark now. Yes, USA dark. Lol, Trouble is your middle name. Lol, hahaha. Trouble. To yet, what's we add? Selling, yellow shout out selling, good morning. Follow up and thank you. Unless nice work a big trucks. I have pilot's license to. Are you married yet? Very dark now. I still hug friends, hug my dearest Brandon. I will migrating over to FB stars, hug friends, major shout out Brandon. Thank you, Brandon. Nolly, megalo shout out Nolly, thank you. Guys, please connect each other, guys.